Buenos dias. Now let's go get dressed. This is my outfit for today. Now let's go get some coffee and work out. You got this, besties. I think I need to go with a lighter weight. That was a 20 and it was kind of difficult, so I'm gonna try with a 10. This is a 10-pound weight. The best part of the day. It's so hot. Let me let it cool down for a little bit. We're gonna be making some biscuits and gravy today. For the biscuits, we need 3 cups of flour. 1, 2, 3. Might as well put the whole thing. It's just a little bit less. This is what it looks like. Last time I made the biscuits and gravy, you wanted the gravy recipe. I just forgot to put it on here for some reason. 1 tablespoon of sugar, baking powder, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. You can add your desired amount of sea salt. I'm just gonna add 1, 2, 3, and then 4. We're gonna mix these two together. 1 whole stick of butter. Now we mix all of the ingredients together. We're gonna add 1 cup and 1/4 cup of milk. And now we're going to mix till all of our ingredients are incorporated. Once it's all mixed, we're going to put it on our clean countertop. Make sure your countertop is clean. I normally clean my countertop with vinegar, just in case you wanted to know. Cheers! So this bottle right here, I have that much of vinegar and the rest is water. We're going to put all our ingredients on the countertop. Now we're going to butter our pan all around with a mason jar top. We're going to do this. Then the edges, we're just going to move them out the way. Try to show you with one hand. See that? Gently grab the bottom because it might fall out. And then we push it out. You would need 2 hands for this, but I'm gonna try to show you with one. Just like that. And just fix whatever, you know? It doesn't have to be perfect, besties. This is what the biscuits look like. Remember, besties, these do not have to be perfect. Look at that one. Now we're gonna bake them at 400 degrees for 17 minutes. Meanwhile, the biscuits are in the oven. We're going to make our gravy. Let's make some gravy. The meat that we're going to use, we're gonna add it to our pan. We're gonna brown our meat. Once your meat looks like this, we're gonna add 1/3 cup of flour. And now we mix. You mix until you don't see any more flour, just like this. This is the flour that I am using. 4 cups of milk. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we mix here until the milk is very thick, the consistency of thickness that you like. The reason why why we keep stirring is so that it doesn't get stuck to the bottom or burn. If you like it like this thick, you can just leave it like that, but we like it a little more thicker, so we're gonna continue to mix. This is how thick we like it. So this is what it looks like. This is what the biscuits look like. And that's what it looks like in the inside. Cheers. So hot. It's so good. I should have waited a little bit. I hope you give this a try, besties. This is what the biscuits look like. My son already took some. I also made gravy, so biscuits and gravy. So this is what it looks like. This is what the biscuits look like. And that's what it looks like in the inside. So cheers. So hot. It's so good. I should have waited a little bit.
This is not a phase, my dear. Time heals the moment, but our hearts were frozen, don't disappear.